Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Jellyfin and Kodi. Jellyfin is a completely free and open source media server that allows you to organize your movies, TV shows, music, and photos and stream them to multiple devices without any paywalls. You can install Jellyfin on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Docker, and even NAS devices. The official Jellyfin website provides detailed installation guides, setup tutorials, plugin support, and a community forum where users can get help, report bugs, and share tips. It also offers documentation for developers so you can extend the platform with custom features. The website is user-friendly and highlights the privacy-focused nature of Jellyfin, emphasizing that your data is not shared with third parties. Kodi, on the other hand, is a free and highly customizable local media player available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, and Raspberry Pi. The official Kodi website provides comprehensive guides for installation, tutorials for using skins and add-ons, and a large repository of official add-ons for streaming, utilities, and media management. It also hosts a community forum where users can get technical help and share tips. The website explains how to use Kodi with external media servers, local libraries, and network storage. Kodi focuses on flexibility and customization, allowing users to change the interface, add new features, and tailor the media experience to their needs. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Jellyfin is fully free, supports remote streaming, has no paywalls, and emphasizes users' privacy. On the downside, its interface and setup are less polished than paid alternatives, and some advanced features may require technical adjustments. On the positive side, Kodi is free, extremely customizable, and supports a wide range of add-ons and media formats. On the downside, it has no built-in server or remote streaming, and beginners may find it complex to set up. Overall, if you want a free media server with remote streaming, multi-device access, and strong privacy, Jellyfin is the better choice. If you prefer a highly customizable local media player and don't need remote streaming, Kodi is ideal. For most users in 2026, Jellyfin is best for network streaming, while Kodi is best for local playback and deep customization. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.